Hey, Dia. Diaz. Big, beautiful boy. Big, beautiful boy, Diaz. Bravo, Billy. Hey, Dia. Bravo, Billy. Bravo, Billy. Ne, Billy. Bravo, 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 Billy. Bravo. Bravo, Billy. Bravo, Billy. Ne, Billy. Hey, Billy. Billy. Ella Max, Charlie, Easter. Milto. Come on, guys. Let's go for a siesta. Come on, Milto. Come on, Rudy, lazy boy. Good afternoon. Χαίρετε. We have a very, very busy day. We had a lot of visitors. We was busy all the time. And now I'm ready to go to have something to eat and to go to have my siesta. 2-hour siesta, and after back to check all the shelter. This is the group of Diaz and Billy. There are 5 dogs only in this group. From this door to the other side, and all the way down there. Only 5 dogs. That's what the dogs need. Big place and not many dogs together. 5 dogs is good. 5 dogs are okay. It's not good to put many dogs together in one group. They can fight, they can kill each other. Diaz is very strong guy. Look at him. Charlie, Diaz wants us to go away, yeah, Charlie? Dia, I'm taking Charlie away, don't be jealous. So, we are going back now to have a food and siesta. Come on, guys. Ella. This is Tijeros, Lucky. A very strong, handsome boy. Pretty. Musica. Musica. Here is Beauty with her boyfriend, Hermes. Hermes. He was locked in the chain all his life. Now he's free. Beauty. She was abandoned, only bones, with so many ticks, sick. Now she's free and beautiful. Miltos. He was locked in the chain in the middle of the city, in the market, under a tree in the middle of the city. Only bones. Now free and happy. Charlie, I found him when he was a little puppy with his mama in the rubbish. Easter. She was under a rubbish bin, the rubbish bins they have in the streets. She was under a rubbish bin in the streets of my city looking for food when she was 3 months old. Now she is about 7 years old. Every dog I see, I remember. Every dog I see, I have in my memory, in my mind, all the story. Rudy, he was with 2 other dogs, 2 other puppies, abandoned in the rubbish area here, in the rubbish area. The other 2 are adopted and he's the only one stay here. That happened for 5 years, 6 years. Max, he was locked in the chain in the other side of Creta. Some tourists, they found him, they took him away from there and they bring him to me. He was full of ticks. I have many stories to tell you. Many stories to tell you. So now we go back to have a siesta. Ella, Charlie. Come on. Oh, this is Eva, my wife Eva. When I found her, she was very scared of people. And I tried to catch her outside of the shelter. And she let me touch her finally, and she let me pet her. She trusted me even if she was very scared. She trusted me, and I took her in the shelter. All the stories I tell you, there are the videos if you search on my page to see. So now we go inside. We will close the door. Petra is coming. We have to wait for Petra if she will come or not. If she's not coming, it means that she wants to stay outside, so I have to close the door and she can stay there, no problem. She don't want to come. We will close the door. Let's go. Come on, guys. Let's see if Petra is coming or not. No, she don't want to come inside, no problem. She's very old and she is allowed to do anything she wants. I will open the... Ella, come on, guys. Ready for siesta? I'm going to open the door of the office to see if the new kitten is here. Kitsina. There he is. He's there. That's the new kitten who was under the cars. He was sleeping. He was under the cars. Before we start our car, it will be good if we will check the car around the wheels, the tires, under the machine. It will take for us only a few seconds and we can save a life. He was under the cars in the machines and he was going up and down, and I knew that he will die sooner or later. So I catch him. That's the kitten. Hey, Psipsina. Before it was Apostoli, and she gave him some medicine for ticks and flea and worms inside and outside, and now he's a little bit more shy. There he is. We gave him already treatment for oh, look at him. He was sleeping. Him or her, whatever. Now he will eat and go back to sleep. No cars, no people, not risk to lose his life, nothing. Food and sleep and play. Yeah? He's scared of me now. Okay. As you see, Rani and her kittens are adopted. And the most of the cats here, they are adopted of the office. 2 of her kittens, of this mama, 2 of her kittens, they are adopted today. All of them happy. That's the new one, the new kitten. Okay, now I go in. This is the place where Charlie is relaxing with Easter. They have a table with food there. They have this place to go inside to, if it's raining. Siesta time now. You will see what's going on in the shelter now. All the workers, they've gone away. All the visitors are away, and it's only me and the volunteers. Tine coliții mu. This is Marcos. a guy came outside of my shelter one day, and he said to me, I have a dog, but I don't want him and I don't want to throw him away. I want you to take him. He was honest. Much better like this than to throw him away in the middle of nowhere. That was Marcus. Now he's here. This is Tyson. He was in the middle of my city. He was in my city, in some rubbish. He was sleeping, and I took him before 3 months. This is Forrest. He came outside from my shelter. You remember a few months ago, a dog came outside of my shelter, and it took me time, and I got him. Forrest. This is Rocky, the 15-year-old guy. Rocky. He's free after 15 years. Rocky. Poor guy. 15 years in a chain. Rocky. I took him a few days ago. Look at his tail. Happy. Princess. She was in a tunnel under the road, pregnant, in terrible condition, together with Prince. And something was around on his neck, and he was bleeding. It was terrible situation, terrible condition when I found them. Prince and Princess. Now, happy, and they love me so much. Enough for now. Now I have to go to eat something. I'm so tired. I will open the house. This is Johnny, the little monster. When he came here, he wanted to kill me. And now he's my best friend. I want to show you how nice he is to me. Hello, Johnny. Hello, Johnny. You don't want to go out now. Come. Soon he will come here and you see how nice he is to me. Johnny. Hey, Johnny. He wants to go out. Johnny. Hey, Johnny. You want to go out, Johnny? Hey, you want to go out, Johnny? You want to go out, you little monster? You want to go out, you little monster, yeah? Yeah? Johnny was, some people, they had him. And they said to me, we have a dog, we can't keep him. We want to give it to you. I said, okay. But they didn't tell me that he was attacking everyone. They hide it from me. And when they bring the dog, they run away. And I end up with aggressive dog. But now the aggressive dog is lovely. He's a lovely to me, but he wants to be the one and only, even if he's so small. Ella, go out. If you want to go, go. There we are. The volunteers are already relaxing now. And the dogs, when I go in, they're all down, like this. Like this. Like that. They go all down. And it's peaceful. Like there. The white one, I'm going to go closer to see. It's Mira. She was very sick from leishmania. The big white one, Mira. She was very sick from leishmania. And I was at the vet one day. And I saw her there. I said, what is this dog doing here? Why is so looking so sick? And they said to me, shh, I'm talking. They said to me that the owner wants to put her to sleep because she's very sick. And I said, I'm going to take her. I'm going to adopt her sick. So I adopted her. She became, after with treatment, a lovely girl. And the owner asked me to take her back. I said, no, she's my dog. And she's here happy. This is Bonnie. This is Bonnie. I remember when I was in the village Pajamos, and she was very, very, very skinny. I had some omelette my mother cooked at that time, and I give her omelette, and I got her after time. That's Bonnie. With a blue collar is Bella. She was outside of She was outside of a house in my city, protecting the house because the house was fitting her. And after, Bella, she bite two people when they walk in front of the house. And after, it was a problem for all the area because the people were scared. But Bella was only protecting the house. So they locked her in, they wanted the municipality to take the dog. And instead of the dog to end up in a cage, I took her and she's here now. Bella. Phoenix, the other guy who was really, really upset, he was really angry. There is a story of me and him. That's Phoenix with the long black tail. He's very old, that's why he's walking like this. Even if you give the best medicine to him, he will still walk like this. It's like human, they are over 80 years old, who are very old. We will all, not all, but the most of the people, when they get older, they can't walk so well. They can't run or whatever. It's the same with the dogs. So Phoenix, she was with somebody. Somebody was abusing him in the roof of the village Kavusi. She was in a roof, locked, full of ticks, in terrible condition. He was very aggressive to people. And after a few days, when first he tried to kill me, but after a few days, he's my best friend. Phoenix. And Bonnie, she's looking at me now. All right. We have some fruits, if you want. Pomegranate, how you call them in English. A lot of fruits around here. The mouse, they love them. That's Mira. There is Rania, the white one there in the door. Rania, she was locked in the chain in the village Mithi. We took her away with the police. Rocky, I found him in the rubbish. He's about 12 years old now. And I found him 9 years ago in the rubbish, 9 years. He's amazing. He's amazing. And this is Grandpa. He's sleeping now. Grandpa is sleeping. Grandpa is sleeping. Okay, Grandpa, you know the story of Grandpa. You don't need me to say it. Everybody knows the story of Grandpa. Now he's sleeping. I'm not disturbing. Okay. Now you see the dogs, they get ready to relax. If I wasn't here, they will be all of them down. And later they get ready for party. Rocky again. Johnny. Ella, Johnny, you coming? Johnny, Ella, Johnny, come in. Come in, Johnny. Ella. Bravo, Johnny. Hey, Johnny. Hey, okay. Hey, Johnny. Hey. On the other side, they hear my voice. They hear my voice from the other side, and they are not sleeping. I think I'm disturbing all of them now. Shh, easy. 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 I am disturbing all of them. I better go. I will show you how the house looks from the window. Griula? Mommy, what are you doing up there? Jenny? Anna? Anna, she's so happy. But Anna has arthritis because she's very old and she's walking very weak. But she's so happy. She's so happy. Hey, Lucy. I'm coming, babies. Lucy, let's go for siesta. Hey, Lucy. Let's go for siesta. I'm coming. Okay, now I have to go. I just told you a few stories of a few dogs only. Bye-bye for now. Yasas. Bye-bye. Hey. Johnny, you want to play, yeah? We have to go for siesta. No, Johnny, we have to go for siesta. Johnny. Trelula. Trelula. You want to talk to me? Yeah? You want to talk to me, Trelula? Ne? What you want to say? Huh? Talk to me. Trelula? Talk to me. Ne? You want to smile? Yeah? What you want? Ne? Trelula mu. Trelula. Ne? I know you want to talk to me. Huh? Trelula. Bye-bye.